Bambu Lab PLA Pure, certified safer 3D printing filament for toys and food-safe use cases. The 3D printing industry has entered a new phase where material safety, environmental impact, and indoor usability matter almost as much as print quality. In this context, Bambu Lab PLA Pure stands out as a next-generation PLA filament designed not only for ease of printing but also for certified safety, controlled material composition, and reduced indoor emissions. It is aimed at home users, educators, makers, and professionals who require more confidence in the materials they use daily. Unlike standard PLA filaments that mainly focus on color variety and mechanical simplicity, PLA Pure is engineered with a stronger emphasis on traceability, regulatory compliance, and safer indoor use cases. This positions it as a premium filament in the PLA category. What is Bambu Lab PLA Pure? Bambu Lab PLA Pure is a 1.75 mm fused filament. Fabrication: FFF, DM, PLA filament designed for general-purpose 3D printing. PLA itself is derived from renewable resources such as cornstarch or sugarcane, making it one of the most widely used biodegradable plastics in the 3D printing world. However, PLA Pure is not just another standard PLA variant. It is developed with a restricted and carefully selected ingredient system, focusing on compliance with EU regulations related to food contact plastics and toy safety standards. According to manufacturer data, PLA Pure is built using only 5 verified core materials, which significantly improves transparency compared to many generic filaments on the market. The main goal is to create a filament that can be safely used in environments where people live, work, and learn, such as homes, classrooms, and maker labs. Key features of Bambu Lab PLA Pure 1. Controlled and certified material composition. 1 of the most important aspects of PLA Pure is its ingredient-level certification approach. Instead of simply testing the final filament, Bambu Lab ensures that all raw materials comply with strict safety regulations. The filament includes pla-hr, polylactic acid from renewable sources, acrylic copolymer for improved toughness, color pigments for aesthetic variation EBS, ethylene bisteramide for processing stability, talc for structural consistency. These materials are selected to align with EU 10/2011's food contact regulations, providing higher confidence in material safety compared to typical hobby-grade filaments. This structured composition is particularly important for users who are concerned about unknown additives in low-cost filaments. 2. Food contact-related compliance. PLA Pure is designed with food contact applications in mind, meaning its raw materials meet regulatory expectations for indirect food contact scenarios. However, it is important to clarify that 3D printed parts are not automatically food-safe. Layer gaps can trap bacteria. Printer nozzles may contaminate prints. Heat exposure can degrade PLA performance because of these factors. PLA Pure is best used for dry food contact items, prototypes, or decorative kitchen tools rather than hot or liquid food applications. This makes it suitable for items like cookie cutters, storage containers, non-liquid, and educational food models rather than full kitchen-grade utensils. 3. Toy safety certification. N71-3. PLA Pure is tested under N71-3 toy safety standards, which evaluate the migration of harmful elements from materials used in toys. This certification is particularly important for educational toys, DIY children's models, school projects, handheld learning tools, decorative play objects. It ensures that printed items are safer when handled frequently, especially by children. However, mechanical safety, sharp edges, breakage, choking hazards still depends on the design and post-processing of the printed object. 4. Improved indoor air quality. GreenGuard, a major innovation in PLA Pure, is its focus on indoor emissions reduction. It is certified under UL 2904 GreenGuard testing, which measures VOC, volatile organic compounds, emissions, fine particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10. Air quality impact during printing. This is especially relevant because many users now operate 3D printers inside bedrooms, offices, and classrooms. Compared to unknown or low-quality filaments, PLA Pure aims to provide a cleaner and more predictable emission profile, making it more suitable for enclosed environments. 5. Reliable printing performance despite its safety focus. PLA Pure retains the core benefits of PLA printing, including easy printability on most FDM printers, low warping and shrinkage, strong layer adhesion. Smooth surface finish, minimal stringing under correct settings. It is optimized for consistent extrusion and works well with both beginner and advanced users. Additionally, PLA Pure is fully compatible with Bambu Lab AMS automatic material system, enabling seamless multicolor printing and automatic filament recognition via RFID, printing settings and optimization. Although PLA Pure behaves like standard pla-hr, optimal results are typically achieved with the following settings: nozzle temperature 190 degrees Celsius, 220 degrees Celsius. Bed temperature 45 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius. Cooling 100% for detailed prints. Print speed medium to high depending on model complexity. Users may find slightly improved surface quality compared to generic PLA due to tighter manufacturing control and consistent diameter tolerance. Specifications overview. Feature specification: material PLA, polylactic acid, diameter 1.75 mm plus or minus 0.03 mm, weight 1 kg, spool printer type FDM, AM support yes. Bambu Lab ecosystem, food contact compliance EU 10 2011, aligned toy safety N71-3 certified. Indoor emissions UL 2904, Green Guard recommended use toys. Models. Indoor prints, price and availability. Bambu Lab PLA Pure is sold through the official Bambu Lab store and selected distributors. Current pricing: standard spool, $24 United States dollars and 99 cents. Refill filament, $21 United States dollars and 99 cents. The refill system is designed for sustainability, allowing users to reuse spools and reduce plastic waste. Availability may vary depending on region, shipping warehouse, and color selection. Due to its certification-focused positioning, PLA Pure is generally priced slightly higher than entry-level PLA options. Use cases: PLA Pure is ideal for applications where safety, indoor use, and reliability are more important than extreme mechanical strength. Common use cases include children's toys and learning models, school and university projects, home decor items, kitchen prototypes, non-food liquid use, prototyping consumer products, maker community projects. It is less suitable for high-stress mechanical parts, outdoor applications, or heat-exposed environments. Advantages and limitations. Advantages: certified ingredient transparency, lower indoor emissions, toy safety compliance, easy PLA printing behavior. AMS ecosystem compatibility. Limitations: not heat resistant, like all PLA, not fully food safe for all use cases. Higher price than standard PLA, limited mechanical strength compared to PETG or ABS. Final verdict: Bambu Lab PLA Pure represents a significant shift in the consumer 3D printing market, where safety and environmental considerations are becoming as important as performance. It offers a carefully controlled material formulation, verified safety certifications, and improved indoor air quality standards while maintaining the simplicity of PLA printing. While it does not replace engineering-grade materials like PETG, ABS, or nylon, it fills an important gap for users who print regularly in shared or indoor environments. For educators, families, and hobbyists seeking a more responsible filament choice, PLA Pure is one of the most advanced and thoughtfully designed PLA options currently available. PLA Pure also reflects Bambu Lab's broader vision of sustainable 3D printing. By improving material traceability and reducing environmental impact, it encouraged responsible manufacturing at the desktop level. This makes it a forward-looking choice for creators who value innovation, safety, and long-term usability in their 3D printing projects.